Golf game forecast with FlexRule analytics and machine learning. Let's find out whether it's a good day to play golf using FlexRule analytics. The flow has 3 steps. Read data, train, predict. This example takes a dataset of weather details to train the model and predicts the possibility of playing golf using the C45 algorithm. Let's see what to consider before deciding whether it's a good day to play golf. The outlook, temperature, humidity, and wind. So in this example, we read a CSV file with these observed data. The columns temperature, humidity, and wind are the inputs, and the column play, which is the possibility of playing golf, is the prediction. Using this data set, the model will be created and trained to make predictions. Let's run the project. First, let's open FlexRule Designer. Click on Samples Gallery and search for the project. Golf Weather Forecast is the project we are looking for. Click on it and click Download and Install. Click Yes to open the project. In this project, it is required to install the Analytics extension. Make sure you are installing a version 9 extension. Click Yes to download the extension. If it's not showing version 9, click No and we will install it in a later step. When the project is open, we can go to Tools, Extension Manager to check the extension. We can see that FlexRule Extension Analytics version 9 is installed. If we click Installed Locally, we can see that it has already been installed and it's the latest version as shown in status. If you see a different status, uninstall the extension using the X mark and reinstall the version 9 extension using the plus mark. Click golfdecisiontree.xml, which is the main document in this project. Click on Debug with JSON Composer or press F5 to debug. Click Next Step to go step by step. When it reaches the data source node, it will read the data from the CSV file. Click Next Step again and it will reach the train node. At this point, we can see the data read from the CSV file. To view data, click on Data in the Parameters window. Then click on Data Viewer on the right side of the Parameters window. We will see the data read from the CSV file. Click Next Step, and when it reaches the Predict node, it will make predictions of whether it's a good day to play golf based on these prediction input parameters. So we determine whether we can play golf when it's sunny, 60 degrees, humidity is 71, and it's windy. Once the execution completes successfully, we can see the output in the parameters window. We can see the prediction in this example is no. It's not good weather to play golf. Let's see the project description. In Project Explorer, we can see golfdecisiontree.xml, which is the main model that connects all of the components of the project. If we click on the Spreadsheet node, we can see its properties. Open Spreadsheet URI and we can see the CSV file path. Now let's look at the golf.csv file. Here's the data set we used to train the model. Let's go back to FlexRule Designer, click on the next node, Train. In the Properties window, there are multiple algorithms. C45 is the algorithm we chose. Click on Predict node. Click on Prediction Input in the Properties window. We can see the set of data from which we want to elicit the prediction, and the output is copied to the parameter Prediction. Want to get started? Visit our resource hub for more information.